In Control Center, as with other applications, it's common to display data in a grid container. But did you know that the column order can be rearranged to suit your preferences? So today's tip is about customizing data grids. So let's get into it. There are a few screens, such as mass updates and the reorder and receiving worksheets, where you're presented with quite a few columns, usually more than you can see on the screen without scrolling. In those instances, you can drag column headers around to rearrange them. This allows you to customize the view so that you don't have to scroll to see those columns that are important to you. And once you have them arranged, the system will remember your preferences, so next time you visit the page, it's all set. On the topic of data grids, you might not be aware of some of the other features. Column headers are sortable, and there's a small indicator arrow letting you know the current sort direction, ascending or descending. You can also toggle the visibility of columns, allowing you to hide unused ones. This is done by clicking the Options button and using the Columns drop-down list to enable or disable each column. So that's all for this Fast Tracks Fact. Now consider yourself a data grid master.